Hello students, today you will learn chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. Indian unity is also expressed in our national anthem, which is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Different castes, religions, customs, culture, language, etc. are integrated in India. अलग अलग जाति, धर्म, रीति रिवाज, भाषाएं, ये सब कुछ भारत में एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. Since India has a diverse culture, it has been able to create a variety in culture. India has followed the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. India is believing in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is family. Now let us see what is the beliefs and ideas on this principle, on this philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam by our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
छठवां हिस्सा आवाज है भारत ऐसे व्यापक पैमाने पर आर्थिक व सामाजिक बदलाव से गुजर रहा है जिसका उदाहरण इतिहास में दुर्लभ है। प्रत्येक राष्ट्र की विश्व की अवधारणा उसकी सभ्यता व उसकी दार्शनिक परंपरा के आधार पर निरूपित होती है। भारत का चिरंतन विवेक समस्त विश्व को एक कुटुंब के रूप में देखता है। भारत एक देश है जिसकी वेद काल से परंपरा वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की रही है। We never say that if you believe in my philosophy, then you will achieve your goal. What we say that ekam sat vipraha bahuda vadanti. Truth is one. Sages call it in a different way. So we don't believe. We believe in a one God. People think that he is Allah, another say is a Yeshu, one say is a Rama, one say is a Krishna. It is up to the believers. God is one. We don't say that Hindu's God is separate, Muslim God is separate, Christian God is separate. This is not our philosophy. We believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Oh, world is family. This is in our DNA. This is in our genetic system. I belong to a culture which culture says the whole world is one family. How can we hate any community, even any person? It's impossible.
Now I am going to share one beautiful song which expresses the feeling of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
The world is my home.
One world, one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
प्यारा प्यार कमान हमारा चलो एक साथ चलेंगे हम वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम हे वसुधैव 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 कुटुम्बकम एक ही ईश्वर एक ही
One God, one knowledge. Peace and love for all. We can do this together. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
The world will join hands. We're one world and one family.
India, in the true sense, spread the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of Indian culture. In our country, we see the combination of various religions, caste, language, and festival. We have accepted, admitted, and permitted each other's religious belief. We accept the religious beliefs of other people, their objects, and their actions. People of India live a life of coexistence. Indian people have developed and conserved this unique diversity. Efforts for diversity and equality. Students, as every coin has two sides, our diversity is a beautiful feature, unique feature of our culture. At the same time, we have some discrimination due to the variety and diversity. Discriminations on the basis of rich, poor, male, female, literate, illiterate, urban, rural, and the caste are seen in our country. In ancient time, social structure was occupation-based Varna system. We had four Varnas: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudras. Due to this, many groups remain backward socially and economically. Hence, difference based on the caste came into existence. हमारे देश में अभी भी बहुत सारा भेदभाव on the base of the caste, religious beliefs, या तो हमारी भाषाएं अलग अलग है, बहुत सारा धर्मवाद, जातिवाद, अमीरी गरीबी, ये सब भेदभाव अभी भी देखने को मिलता है. Hence, differences based on the caste came into existence. Most of the literate people earn more, so their living standard is high. Those who are rich people, they many times disrespect the people having less economical capacity. Their social status is high, and many times it is seen that poor people, their dignity is not maintained. Difference based on the literate and illiterate can also be seen. Most of the people in India living in rural area. Urban people are quite less as compared to rural people. Due to major difference in their living standard, differences have risen among the urban and rural people. Those people living in the urban areas, their lifestyle, their living standard is more comfortable rather than the people living in the rural areas. People living in the villages or rural areas, their basic requirements are even not fulfilled. You might have seen, read in the newspaper, might have seen in the news also, that still many villages do not have the basic necessities. They do not have a proper roads, electricity, or even drinking water. While people living in the city areas or urban areas, we have all the comforts. Government is trying best to improve the condition. They are trying best to remove these discriminations. Since right to equality is given in our constitution after independence, untouchability is removed. Now the right to equality is granted to everybody, so all people get equal opportunities, justice and status. No matter you belong to higher community, higher caste or low caste, as we have already seen and discussed, that we all are Indians, we all are equal, we should have all the opportunities equally. We have a right to choose our profession. We have a right to education. We have a right to get justice. We can choose our religion. We can visit freely our religious places. This RT has given a right to free and compulsory education to the children. So everybody has got an opportunity of the primary education. Government has enhanced the educational infrastructure, facilities like village roads, primary health center, electricity, drinking water, etc. for the community development. In our constitution, we are given certain fundamental rights as well we are given certain fundamental duties. Being the citizen of India, it is our duty to respect each other's beliefs, their status. We try our best to maintain brotherhood and peace in our country. Equal opportunities are granted to women according to the constitutional provision so that their honor and respect can be maintained. Because of getting constitutional right, people follow their own religion, speak their own language, celebrate their own festival. Discrimination is decreasing after independence. भारत की आज़ादी के बाद भारत हर क्षेत्र में प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है. फीमेल एजुकेशन का रेशियो काफ़ी बढ़ गया है. फीमेल आर वर्किंग ऑल द फील्ड्स and due to the efforts of the government, India is progressing in all the fields. At the same time, it is our responsibility to work for the welfare and the betterment of the nation. Some seats are kept reserved for the people of certain caste in the election of Gram Panchayat to Parliament. Government has kept, it is in our constitution that some seats must be reserved for the certain caste people in the election. Hostels, scholarship and schemes of financial assist for the students are implemented so that all can get opportunity for the further development in social, economical, culture and political field. Many NGOs are working simultaneously. They are helping the students, those who are not able to pay the fees. Government has also launched many projects for the students, those who are of certain caste, those who are very poor. So scholarship are also given for the students to get the opportunities for the better education. India is considered a progressing nation. Students, it is not only government's responsibility to work for the betterment of the nation. It is our responsibility and the duty to work for the progress of the nation. We must enhance our skill. We should educate ourselves and work for the unity, prosperity of the nation. Recently, our Prime Minister has launched the project Make in India, Made in India. I request you all to be a part of this movement. This will help to re-establish the economies of India in this pandemic. Thank you all.